Okay, students, today we will study about the backspace key. This is your backspace key. Backspace key means a key with the facility, or you can say the speciality, that whatever you have written in your monitor, you are just saying that there is a text or a sentence you have written on the monitor, and suppose while writing you have done some mistake. So the left side means to the left side of the cursor, you can utilize the backspace key and delete that alphabet with, or a symbol, or whatever you have written in the monitor, that you can delete it. And just see how you know that this one is your backspace key. You have a button in your keyboard with the back arrow, or sometime it is written as a backspace also. Okay, now I'm just showing you the back key also in a keyboard. Just see, all of you. Okay, this is your backspace key just above the enter key. Okay, now next comes delete key. Okay, delete means something you have to delete, you don't want, but by mistake you have written. So for the back alphabet or a symbol while writing, you can utilize the backspace key. But suppose if you want to delete or erases in front of the cursor, then what you will do? You can utilize the delete key. Okay, delete key means it erases the right side of the cursor. Backspace key erases the left side of the cursor, and delete key erases the right side of the cursor. So delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Okay, suppose here is your cursor on a monitor and written monitor. Okay, instead of monitor. So what you will do? Suppose you have not written here. So what you will do? You can, if you want to erase this N, use the backspace key. If you want to erase the right side of the cursor, what you will do? You can erase the delete. Okay, is it clear to you? Now I am showing you the delete key also in your keyboard. This is your delete key. Just see this one. Okay, this one. This is your delete key. Now next comes caps lock key. Caps lock. The name itself indicates. Suppose you want to write the capital alphabet, capital letters. So what you will do? You have a single keyboard and you can write the small also and the caps also with the help of the key. So what you will do for writing the capital, normally you can write the small alphabets with the help of the key in a sentence case. But suppose you want to write the capital alphabet with the help of the key. So we have a feature in a keyboard that we can press the caps lock key from the keyboard, and the caps lock will be highlighted, and after that what's happened? Your keyboard will become the capital keyboard. Started writing the capital alphabet. Okay, so just see, caps lock key is on. When the caps lock key is on, you have to switch on your caps lock. So all the letters that are typed appear in a capital on the monitor. Okay, because whatever you are typing, you are just getting on a monitor. So if you want the capital alphabets on the monitor, you must have to switch on your caps lock. If you are switching on your caps lock, it means your keyboard will type the capital letter. If you have switched off the caps lock, means your keyboard is not writing the capital letter. Instead of that, it will start writing again the small letters. Okay, and how you know that? You know that this one is now my keyboard will be in a caps lock form. You have these type of buttons. If your caps lock button highlights. Highlights means when you are switching on the caps lock button, when you are pressing the caps lock key from the keyboard, your indicator will be highlighted. Okay, green light will be shown, so it means it is highlighted. And if it is not highlighted, it is off. If you again press the caps lock, that is now I don't need a capital letter, it will be unhighlighted. And so you know that how you can press. Now I am showing you the caps lock also in the keyboard. Just see, this is your capital keyboard, and where is your caps lock? Just see here. You're getting? Okay, this one is your caps lock. When you are pressing it, just see the three highlighters are there. Here it is written as a caps lock. So this one is become green. So your keyboard will become the capital letter. Start writing the capital letter. And if again you have to press the caps lock key, it will be unhighlighted. So it becomes the small alphabet, able to write the small alphabet with the help of the keyboard. Okay.